Okay, welcome back to our series of Vulnhub. The box would be Infosecwarrior, and I also put the link into the description section below, so you can download the virtual machine image from this page. Without further ado, let's get started. To save the time, I have already imported into the virtual box, and I already identified the IP address as 253, and I also done the Nmap scanning result. As you can see, the options for the Nmap scanning, I do the scene scan, version scan, script scan, and also do the comprehensive scan. Sorry, I did Nmap complete Nmap scanning, excuse me. And from the Nmap scanning result, we can know there are two open ports. The first one is 22, which runs SSH service. And the version number, I think it doesn't have any vulnerability. And another port is 80, which runs HTTP service. So of course, naturally, we need to do some enumeration for the second port, which is 80. So let's open our browser and we can visit this. So I think from the page we can know this is the default Apache 2 test page for the CentOS, and also we can check whether exists robots file. No, not found. And of course now we can do is to do some directory enumeration. We can use GoBuster, and the command is dr directory, and specify the URL, and I can use tab to automatically complete this command. Okay, immediately we got the first directory, which is WordPress. We can access this directory. So, but it says error establishing a database collection. So it means maybe the database the service has not started up, or maybe the target, maybe some misconfiguration. The application or web didn't have proper credentials to connect to the database. Whatever, I think we need to forget this direction as our exploitation vector. And now we what? Oh, so many errors. And also we can get the second file, and we can check this file. Note. And it says try harder. Enumeration is the key. So the author give us a hint. The enumeration is very important. Okay, and we come back to our terminal. You can see we have already identified another file, which is cmd, and we can visit this file, cmd.php. But it will, it's a bit weird. When we visit this file, which is cmd.php, it will be automatically redirected to the outside website. I think this is the website of author, maybe. But so I think also the author give us the enumeration is the key, and the cmd PHP maybe has some parameter. cmd means command, right? So I think we can execute some command by this file, by this page. So we need to enumerate or fuzz out the parameter, okay? And we can use fuzz and specify the URL. CMD. Yeah, I already, because I did it, this box. several minutes ago, I just, to save time, automatically complete this command. So this will will start the process of enumerate the parameter for this cmd.php. So we need to wait for this to be completed. Because I use a bit big word list in this command, so maybe it will take some time to be finished. Anyway, we can wait. And also you can, as you notice, the command, this part, I specify the option, the HW, it will exclude some the word length. Okay, we have already got the parameter name, which is AI. So we can visit this ID. Oh, but now it says now the main part, what is try other method. So now we use the get method, and the author tell us maybe we need to try other method. So probably, sorry, excuse me, we can try the post as our request method. And to do that, we can use burp suite to intercept the request. But before we intercept the request, we first to set the Foxy proxy, and now all traffic will go through the burp suite. And now we can go to the proxy of the burp suite, and we can enable intercept option, and now we can refresh the page. Now we got the request, and we can remove this from the URL, and we need to change the method from get to post and apply changes. But also we need to add body. So the parameter is AI. We have already identified by WFUZZ, right? And add. And now we can forward the request. Now you can see we have already got the ID. So it means that the command injection we can utilize. And the normal procedure is to get the reverse shell, and we can use like netcat, but the netcat doesn't exist in this box. And also we can try some other methods which we can reference to pentest monkey cheat sheet. But I tried several ways, I cannot make it work. So you know, the author told us the enumeration is the key, is the important thing. So we can refresh this page, and we can do this change value of a method to post, and go to this part lim, and we can cut this file and add, and we can remove this part, and we can forward. Sorry, bad request. So we can, maybe I made some errors, and we can remove this part from the URL, and then we need to change get to post, and go back at the AI, and the cat the cmd php, add and forward. Now we got the content of the cmd.php. I think this code is simple, but can you notice this part? If you can focus your attention, the user and the password. So we can use this one to log in to the to the target. Sorry, excuse me. And we can SSH, and we can copy the username. I do not want to type anyway, and we can specify the target IP address. Oh, sorry, I need to. So I need to. So it means that no matching host keys. So yeah, this one I have already written one post about this issue, and but of course, sorry, this one is in English, in Chinese. We can add this option to our command, and this issue can be fixed. And I just paste this part. Bad key types. Oh, sorry. Yeah, now the password, and we can copy the password from here, from this page, and go to. Now we have already logged in as ISW0, and we can get we can do some basic enumeration. We got the first user flag, and as you know, we can check this user can run the root, run the command as root privilege, for example, like IPM, and we can go to this website. Sorry, the GTF OBINS. This one is wonderful resource when we do the local privilege escalation, and because we can just copy this part and sudo we can copy the password again. Sorry, of course we cannot remember so long password. Where is my, yeah, here. I can copy and paste into the terminal. Yeah, now we are root. We can check by ID command, and we can go to the root directory, list the content of the root directory, and we got the root flag. Okay, so we successfully completed this box or virtual machine, which is Infosecwarrior. I think as the author pointed out for us, the key thing in this box is enumeration. And I think for the privilege escalation, it's very simple. We just use this website as our resource or which can provide methods to escalate our privilege, which is very simple. So that's all I'd like to demonstrate in this video. And sorry about my, for example, like a mistype, and also my pronunciation, and also my poor English. But I always, as I said before, I always try to improve myself, always, all the time. And if you like this video, please leave a like below. And also, I do appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next one.